everybody.
Good morning.
Don't know if you can quite hear it, but we have a bit of a rain situation here.
The heavens have decided to open.
Exactly at the single moment that we decide to go digging. So we'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
But we're heading to the same spot as last week. Hammers are coming up. It's looking hopeful.
Yeah, we're going to see if we can find any more. Let's do it.
Let's get into it.
Reluctantly.
See you in the field, guys.
All ready?
Is that a bad omen, the road closed sign? I'm sure we'll find out. It's made our walk longer. I'm not impressed at that. Already got a hike to get to this field.
Bloody hell, look at the size of that molehill. That's
Jesus
my
Christ.
foot.
Is that some kind of monster?
Jesus.
Have you dug anything up, Lucy?
I've got the detector on.
Anything in there? The mole's been bringing any goods?
Don't think so.
Nothing.
Nope.
Disgraceful behaviour. We need to train them better.
Whoa. It's pretty wet today.
Today's hunting ground. Let's get started. What have you found?
This flint.
Worked flint? First eyes only find. That's a lovely bit, like, with the thumbprint decoration in it.
Yeah, so nice.
Lovely bit of green glaze. Ooh, keep on hunting. First one for the bag. Did you hear rumours of our first signal? Flaky signal? Look what I've spotted, you're going to be jealous. Yeah. Look at this. Look at that. Some kind of, it's a nice handle pit base there. Lovely bit of green glaze on that. It's good hunting in this kind of soil. The rain's bringing them out.
Strong 18, 19. Yeah. A lot stronger this one. Maybe see what this one is. What have we got?
Ooh, what's that look?
Is it a... Ooh, what's that?
Is that a little Roman?
Is that a Roman?
It looks like a little Roman to me. It's not bad. First hole.
Ooh.
Definitely a little Roman. Look at that. Oh, there we go. We're in for a good day. That's what I like to see. You see, look, it's got a little bit of detail at the top there. You see?
Oh, yeah.
Definitely got something on there. And then just a little bit left on that side.
Lovely.
It's a great little find.
Yeah, getting in the fine spot.
Getting the fine spot, first of many, hopefully. That was a good start.
Very good start.
Field's never done.
What's that, Ellie?
The field's never done. Our fourth visit here now. Are you gritting around this little Roman? Are there any more? Any more near you?
Have a little look. See what that is, little, what, 10 to 12, 11? What do you reckon, Ellie?
Oh, I don't know at the minute. Oh, is it lead? There, look. First bit of lead of the day. Oh, I wanted it to be another Roman.
We know there's going to be a lot today, I
I
think.
wanted it to be another Roman. So what's calling to you about this side? I don't know. Getting vibes. We're just following the vibes today. Going with the flow.
Very strong.
Was it an 18?
17, 18 right there.
Another Roman?
We've got it down there. We need to get closer, do you think?
I don't know. It's up here, I think. Oh, God. There.
Oh, what is
Oh,
it?
God, what is it?
Oh,
no.
Can. What type?
No. Oh,
What type?
what is it? I've not seen one of these before. Oh, I could some kind of energy drink.
Oh,
after all that, I was getting excited.
Great signal. We're going to have more trash, guys. What do we think?
The rest of the can?
So noisy.
Never a good sign. Oh, it's the other half of the can.
The rest of it.
Well, I'm glad we've retrieved all of it. Maybe we can work out what it is now. Maybe not a coin, but that's a nice bit of greyware for sure. Give her a spin. Lovely little rim bit, that.
Oh, first bit of iron.
A nice big bit of iron to weigh your bag down for the day.
Noisy little signal.
Seems nice.
11, 12.
I mean, it's so soft, you almost don't need to like use just.
Oh no, it's not frozen at all today, is it?
Much better than last week. There's no crust. I mean, that will sound like a good signal. I hope it's not bad.
I know. Where's it hiding?
There. It's lead.
No.
It is lead.
Really?
Lead. There you go. Little ball of lead. That's why she's hiding.
It's so small.
That's lead, look. Look at this. Just a bit of pottery. Nice bit of pottery. It's a bit of greyware there. Swinging our way towards this church. There's got to be some goodies hiding there.
See what that's going to be. Hopefully not lead.
Oh no.
What?
It's lead, look.
Massive bit of lead.
Yeah, look, huge bit of lead.
No.
It's the field of lead. It's the
Gonna
field
be
of lead
another
today.
lead curse.
It's going to be a curse of lead today, look. Huge bit of lead.
Oh.
Sun's even come out now. There must be some coins lurking. Shall we say the silent prayer that it's not going to be lead?
Little one. Very nice sounding. Da-da.
Da-da.
Da, da-da. Let's see.
Oh.
It's in your hand.
Is it that?
Is it lead?
It's lead.
No.
No! She sounded so good.
First chunk 14.
What do you think it's going to be?
Hopefully not lead.
Still there somewhere. Ugh.
Lead.
Lead!
Is it an interesting bit?
No, it's just a big bit of lead. Huge bit, look at that.
Come on, they must have been making it into something.
Surely. Where are the seal matrices? So around the church surprisingly proved to be rubbish, full of iron. So we're going to head back towards a little hammered zone that we found last week. Let's see if there are any more there. Let's say a little bit of Tudor. Yeah? Definitely say Tudor. Nice bit of base, that.
Yeah.
Right, they're dropping pottery. Where's their coins?
19, 20.
What's that look? What have we got? More lead?
Really?
Yes, lead. More lead.
Funny shape.
Yeah, it could be some kind of weight or something, maybe.
Yeah,
I'll
maybe
put
a
it.
weight.
Maybe something for the artefacts in, something to have a look
Yeah.
at. It's definitely not a nothing from its shape, I'd say.
If you're liking our digging adventures, please remember to hit that subscribe button and follow our channel.
Oh. What's
What's
that?
that?
Is it just a bit of
Just a bit of wire,
wire?
something.
Interesting.
Intriguing. I'll put it in the tin.
Can you guys see that eyes only over there? Golf ball! Woohoo!
Is this the signal we've been waiting for?
Hopefully. Very clear. Oh, what is it?
Is it? Oh, don't be a button.
Oh,
Don't be a
It's going to be a
button.
massive button.
Oh no.
Oh, might be.
Yes. Oh, a huge button. Oh, good sign of activity though.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Getting back into maybe a good spot.
Yeah, getting back into the zone, I think.
Woohoo!
I thought she'd be happy. Just some odds and sods in here.
Odds
at the
and
minute.
sods and a big button.
Big old bun, big dandy bun, that one. Back in the rubble zone. Finding some odds and sods. There's got to be some coins lurking. Good thing about being back in the rubble zone is I get to do a little bit of field walking. It's a nice bit of medieval pottery there. Big shard, that bit. Huge bit. And then I have a bit right here. A little bit of metal, found eyes only. Don't know what it is. Looks like there's some kind of little hinge on it, maybe.
Yeah.
That's a little bit of something.
Cool.
Not bad. She was just chilling down there. So a little, what, 4-5?
Yeah, 4-5.
And I just brought a little bit of green. I love how it just came out like that. I don't know what it's going to be. It's going to be anything
It's going to
cool.
be like a...
Interesting.
Something quite bit of... Going to be like a pot mend or...
Pot leg. Or
Pot leg?
maybe. Bit of cast off, maybe.
Interesting.
Interesting. Intriguing. Something else for the odds and sods tin, I think.
Yeah. Odds and sods tin.
It has been an odds and sodsy day, hasn't it?
Yeah.
One moment though. First little bit of this type that I found today. A little bit of shellyware, just lurking. Probably early medieval that, maybe even Saxon. Good find. Got all that shell in the fabric. A little bit of rain starting to come down. There's something.
I've got a signal over here. I just put the detector down to see what Ellie was digging up. Which was a 15.
What is it? Lead.
Lead.
Lead. Bane of our lives today. On the pottery hunt in the rain. Look at that. Huge chunky bit of rim, that. Lovely piece. Let's go in the bag. And then I've spotted, oh I've lost it now. Aha! Here, look at this bit. Got a large bit of that as well. It's also starting to come down now. The weather's turned. It's become feral. I'd call it chucking it down now. Feel like we never used to find bits of these. And now we find them all the time. Little clay pipe stem, look. Maybe it's part of the stem to the bowl I found last week.
Could be.
Could be.
Yeah, what's this one? Some jumpy 20s.
Oh, please be something good. Deep one. Is that a good thing?
What's this going to be? It's not a massive bit of lead, is it?
Yeah, look at the size of that.
I'm an egg.
It's a huge bit of lead, look. Oh, it's a lead day today.
Oh, what?
It's a lead day today.
What's that?
A lead day. All we're finding is lead.
Oh. What? Something else.
It's a lead day today.
Oh, lead day today.
It was a nice 12.
Nice 7, 12.
think it's, yeah.
Lead.
Lead. Bit of hole, the hole in the lead.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe a crude washer, maybe a
First interesting
weight.
bit of lead today.
Something intriguing. It's the odds and sods tin, look. Full of odds and sods.
Some 20s.
Good 20s.
We'll soon find out. The rain started. Wait, what is it?
It's lead, look, because it's a day of lead, but it's a huge musket ball.
Oh my god, cool!
Okay, happy now. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's a massive one.
Finally,
Beast.
interesting lead.
Interesting lead, that's what we want. Absolute beast.
Massive musket ball, holy.
Look how big he is.
It's like a marble.
It is like a marble. There we go. Now it's actually a finds tin, not an odds and sods. Button and a musket ball in there now.
We're starting to get rained on.
Starting to get a bit of rain.
Very noisy 15.
Yeah. Lead.
So much lead today.
So much lead today. Look at that.
Not sure what this is going to be.
But just to complete our little lead. We're going on here. Oh, it's just a little bit of rolled lead.
Loop.
A lead loop. I thought it was going to be a little pot.
Is it folded?
Yeah, it's just folded, look. Bit of folded lead,
That's
large
it.
piece that. Rain's
Ew.
starting to chuck it down now.
Yeah. Oh, 9, 10. Quite noisy.
That looks like something there to me.
Yeah, what have we got?
Oh, just shut you up. What do you think we got? That's got to be it.
Oh, was it a coin?
Oh. No, it's a button!
button.
After all that.
Two buttons in the bank.
Two
now.
buttons in the bank. Oh, that one was a real trickster. Fully thought that was going to be a coin.
It's a mate.
It's like its little
It's
mate.
isn't it?
Big and little brother.
I'm not sure if I've spotted another golf ball. Let's have a look. It is. Someone's been practicing. Woohoo! Another golf ball.
It's pretty solid.
Yeah, definitely. That's what this is. Lead?
Lead. Lead.
Just spotted a really good bit. Looks like it's got some decoration on it.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, wow.
That's a stunner.
That's so cool.
Back on the skeet field. At least it's not windy today. It's always bloody windy. Hello everybody. Welcome to the super rainy dig with Roman found. Found a little Roman so far. And then some odds and sods, a musket ball, a couple of buttons. We've just hopped over into this field to see if we can eke anything out. Because this is our hottest patch in here. He's going to do some ground bouncing. Chattering. We've been picking up lots of flint today, haven't we, and debating about whether or not they're worked. The rain just washes them out and makes them shine. What you found? Oh, what's that? Oh, look at that.
A massive bit of pot.
There's a huge bit of pot. Oh, that's a lovely bit.
So
Look at
we've got
that.
any water to...
That's a nice bit.
Yeah, massive.
That's a huge bit. Oh, that's a good sign.
I've got 2 golf balls as well.
Yeah, Lucy's been picking up golf balls. I think whoever's been hitting them must have an impressive strike because we're quite in the open here. So we're hitting them a long distance. Can't believe how big that bit of pot was.
Yeah, it was huge.
It was massive. Might be the biggest bit I've ever found. Yeah, the boots they're getting heavy, aren't they, Lucy? Look at The state of that. Yeah, we've had some great eyes only finds today. We've been picking up some fabulous bits of pottery. Lucy's found a really nice decorated medieval bit where you can see all the fingerwork decoration and stuff. Really good. You got it handy? Might do. In your bag of goodies. What's in the bag? Loads of stuff in the bag. It's like the golf balls in there. Yeah, look at that.
It's got like an eye.
It has got like an eye.
Looks like a chicken.
It does look like a chicken. But you just don't see bits like that every day, do you?
No, not with the decoration.
Not with the decoration at all. Stunning bit of green glaze. What do you find now? More pottery? Yeah. Let's have a look. Oh, a little bit of rim there. Nice finding a bit that's got some definition to it. Yeah. It's a good bit, that. Probably medieval again, I'd say. This is our little medieval patch, isn't it? Although we have found Viking. Looking for more Viking gaming pieces, as always. Ghibli wants to see your nails. Lucy's refusing. You're waiting for them to fall off? Oh, behave. Oh, look. I've just spotted a little bit of pottery here. It's a nice bit of Shellyware rim here. So it'll probably be early medieval there. Lovely early medieval piece. It's not actually that easy getting permission, to be fair, Michael. That's probably the hardest part about entering the hobby. It took us about 6 months to lock this one down and a lot of red tape. But once you get it, it's worth it. And there's always lots of Facebook groups you can join. There's normally a club dig going on once a week, so you can keep yourself entertained without a permission.
Eyes only.
Eyes only. A little hook. Eyes only. Little hook. Get that in the bag. Okay. Yep, that sounds good to me. Just there? Think on the surface. Let's have a little look.
See what we've got.
Over there somewhere.
Oh, is it more lead? Man,
Oh,
we've been plagued by lead today.
We've had so much lead today. It's been such a lead day.
Just a really big piece of lead.
And the only interesting bit of lead we've found has been a musket ball. That's been it. This looks promising.
1890?
Ah, promising. Just there. Really?
Really?
Little nail.
Little nail?
What
What do we think? Should we double check?
There. A little bit further back maybe.
Deeper, I think.
Still trash.
Another nail?
Another nail. Little pocket of nails, I think.
No.
Yeah, another. That find of the day, what would you like it to be, Lucy?
A coin.
A coin. Shall we do a bit of manifesting? I'm going to start manifesting sacks and pennies. Look at the mist setting across the field. Look at that. Look at the mist rolling in. It's getting spooky. It's coming in fast, Lucy. Is it rain?
Maybe it's rain.
Is it rain? Oh, it's
gonna hit us.
Something's going to hit us, guys. Something's going to hit us. Here it comes. Prepare yourself, Lucy.
I think it's rain, isn't it?
It's rain. It's getting closer. Here we go. Elaine says, run. Run, girls. Was it just the quick band of rain? Just there?
So.
I hope it was.
Well, that was like a creature. Rolling over the hills. I know, I hate it when the mud gets stuck to your boots.
A creature rolling over the hills.
What's going on?
Oh,
Lump?
lead.
Lead.
Lead. I think that was it. The mist is gone now as well. Little fossil. Let's have a look. Nice little bit of pottery there. Oh yeah, it's a nice little bit of shell that.
That's
It's a good sign. Some good bits there. Doing well. It's that beast bit you've just picked up.
It's like a bit of a... I don't know if it's a rock or not.
Okay.
Have a look.
Lob it at me. Just there?
Yeah, I don't know what that is. What have we got? Oh. It's out the hole. What do you think, Ellie?
Lead?
Is it lead?
More lead?
I think it's more lead. I say that's it.
It's a huge bit of lead. I'm not a digger for hire. Yeah, I need to put my rates up. Only if we can detect your allotment. That sounds interesting. How deep was it?
Not very.
Not very. See if I can hear it. What do you think it's going to be?
Ooh, it's going to be more lead.
More lead?
Let's see.
Oh no.
Cartridge.
Cartridge.
Oh, the first one of the day.
First one of the day. We'll only get them over here. Cartridge, look.
One.
At least that was the first
One more target, please.
One more sweet target. What you found? Bit of pottery. Oh, that's a big bit of pottery. Wow. Look at that. That's cool.
Wow.
That's a really nice bit, that. It's got to fill your bag. Fill your bag. It's too big for your bag. It's definitely old, that.
Yeah.
Definitely old.
So it's like a 14, 15.
Good one.
What's it gonna be?
Is it going to be lead?
Don't know.
Oh, do you know what it is?
What?
I think it's the middle of a cartridge.
Middle of a cartridge?
Yeah, look. Middle of a cartridge.
No. Cartridge.
Second one now. This
Yeah.
side filled with paper book. Too deep? Too deep? What was it? Oh, let's have a look, shall we? I hope it's not going to be something beginning with L.
Lead.
Lead. More lead. Why is there
The
so
curse
much
of the
of it?
lead.
Oh, it's a very rubbly bit here. Look at all this rubble. Again, I love these little sunset over there, look. All the vibes.
If you're feeling inspired and want to get out digging, then we've got a 10% discount code off at LP Metal Detecting, so treat yourself to some new gear.
What we got there? Yes, that sounds good.
It's gonna be.
Is it going to be lead?
Is it gonna be lead?
Is it gonna be lead?
It's a big question.
Is it going to be lead?
What have you got there?
Oh, what's that? Oh,
Oh, what is it?
don't know. Did I get preliminary excited about nothing?
Let's see. What is this little thing?
Oh, it's lead.
No!
More lead! I thought it was an interesting shape for a sec. Got excited.
Ah,
I know.
we thought we saw like a cool shape, but it wasn't.
It's starting to look quite pretty. The sky's cleared up. It's been very dark and gloomy all day. Maybe we'll try. Yeah? 17, just there? Have a look, shall we?
You want anything
Oh,
exciting?
it's not my Majesty.
Is it lead?
More lead.
No.
No.
Ellie. Looking a little bit muddy.
A little bit muddy.
Lighting's gorgeous though.
Yeah, it's so nice,
Let's
hasn't
see
it?
if we can find some more.
Yeah. What you got there? Little 910.
Lead?
Lead or treasure?
Yeah.
Just there. Let's have a look, shall we? There was a big rock there.
Oh, what have we got in here, guys? If it's more lead, I've got.
It is. It is.
No!
That's more lead, I'm afraid. Although, let's have a look.
Is it?
might
Ellie's
be
getting a
interested in
closer
this.
look. What is it? Actually,
There's a little bit of decoration on that. Maybe it's a
What's
strap
that?
end.
what is that?
Potentially. Have a little look.
What have we got?
Interesting bit.
It's like it's broken off something.
Is it lead?
I don't know.
Is it decorated?
Can't quite see. I think it's just lead.
No. Get it in the bag.
I don't know. Or do you want to put it in the tin?
Put it in the tin.
I can't. It's so dark to see properly. Yeah, the link to the Discords in our
Bio.
in our link tree thing.
What kind of noisy little thing? Well, we seem to have hit a little patch of signals.
So that's toad dates and I just had a look. Oh. What have you got? Little something?
A little stick.
Little stick.
Oh, there we go.
What's that?
Do you know what it is?
What?
It's a tiny medieval mount, look.
Oh, is it a tiny mount? Oh,
Tiny
cool.
mount, It's a thing!
We have a thing. So it's a little tiny medieval mount.
Probably from like a strap or a belt.
Yeah, strap mount.
Strap mount, yeah.
That's lovely, actually.
Nice little fitting, so it's quite nice, that.
You can see the prongs. It would have gone through like the leather, or
Yeah. Quite nice condition, actually, that one.
yeah, that's lovely.
Right, we found a little patch.
Let's keep looking.
At last. Yeah, I reckon one more hole for the live.
Yeah, we'll
One
see
more
if we can
hole.
find something else.
One more target.
Tiny little thing that one was.
Tiny one. Good find, that. Nice little medieval mount. Little artefact for as the evening draws in. It's looking quite nice out here. Huh? What? Oh, it's a good bit of handle, that. Lovely bit of handle. Nice glazed bit there.
Like a funny little lump on it.
Yeah, it's a cool bit. We've got a little bit of moon up there, sunset over there. Beautiful evening for finding some treasure, that's for sure. I think this might be our last signal. 2 deep, 7, 8 sounds good. Last signal for the live then.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Let's get them dewed up. What have we got?
What's that? Can't quite tell.
It's a little bit of lead, I think. It's a funny old shape, look.
Oh yeah.
Funny old shaped bit of lead, look. For like lead, what a way to end the live. A piece of lead, so
A lovely
we found
bit of
so
lead.
much of.
Funny bit that.
Funny bit of lead. But yeah, I think that will.
But yeah, I think we're gonna head off the live, then we're just gonna potter back.
Get a bit dark over here.
Yeah, getting a bit dark.
Thank you for everybody who joined.
Yeah, thanks everybody. We just ended the live, haven't we, Ellie?
Yeah, just ended the live. I mean, an hour and a half, lots of lead, but a little medieval mount just at the end. So
Yeah, that was a nice little treat.
A nice little treat. It's been a tough day today, hasn't it?
Oh, it
It's
has.
been a tough day. I think it's time to potter our way home.
Yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna potter our way out and see if we find anything else.
Yeah, just before it gets a bit dark. Been a tough old day today, hasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Been a tough
Couple
day.
of nice little bits, but
Some lovely eyes only finds.
yeah.
Not much on the metal
Yeah,
front.
that's true.
Not much on the metal front.
Well,
Maybe.
we'll see you guys probably
See you guys probably in the garage.
in the garage. Very high pitched.
going to be?
I don't know, is it going to be a penny?
Let's go up. It's down there. Is that the...
What's that?
What's that? I think it's one of the pegs from the power line.
It's a rivet.
It's nothing, it's just a rivet. Oh!
Little signal down here. Very consistent.
And here's all right. Oh,
Lead.
lead! Go away.
Is it interesting bit?
No.
We're just leaving. Not our day today.
Not every week.
Can't have it. It's 3 silvers every week, that's for sure.
Right, so I'll just hear about next week.
Very strong one there.
Ooh.
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 What is it? Wait.
A ring.
What?
Is it maybe like a... dunno. Strange that.
So
this wasn't what I was
strange.
expecting. No, there's
Any
nothing.
features on it?
No kind of defining features.
Oh, how
It's
odd.
just a ring. We literally like...
Is it part of an old buckle or?
maybe. Doesn't seem to be many features on it. Not the
That's
coin we were
strange.
hoping for. That's it.
Real 1920.
What is it? What is it? There.
Oh, penny.
Little penny! Yeah, on the way home. Look at that. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, lovely.
Great little guy.
So,
I feel like that just sums up the day, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's like basically all we've had today. It's like massive bits of lead weighing the bag down. Loads of little pieces which sound... every single one of these sounded like a hammered.
just a big lead
Just
day.
a big lead bit. Could have been Romans, could have been hammers, but no, it all just had to
All
be lead.
lead.
I feel like only about 4, maybe 5 little bits of shot today, so that's not too bad.
Too bad.
Not too bad. We've been cleaning the other cans, some energy drinks that people have been littering, your odd bits and sods. It's been a good
Eyes
field
only.
walking day. I found a nice little handle, the base of a handle here, a bit of green glaze on
Yeah.
it, a lovely bit of green glaze here, and that's it. This bit's good.
So good.
So good. And then just picked up some bits of flint as well. Feel
Yeah.
like this one has potential.
Definitely worth looking closer at, I
I
think.
feel like the square ones are normally gun flints, aren't they?
Ooh,
I
I'm
don't
not
know, so
sure.
that's got potential. That's just, I just picked it up because it was big. And clay pipe.
Oh yeah, clay pipe again.
Clay pipe's down. Woo!
Woo.
But yeah, not bad.
And then for me, with the
Some lovely
eyes
bits.
only, some lovely bit, nice decorated bit there, green glaze, a good rim, 2 golf balls. What?
Yeah.
But then
This
the
has kind of
tip.
been the day, hasn't it? So we've had this huge musket ball, which I'm
quite happy about
I'm
him.
happy with him. He's lovely. Oh, and this is nice.
Oh yeah,
A little
Oh.
bit of medieval decorative strap fitting or mount. It's quite
Yeah, that's
nice.
quite lovely, but
Found a
just
few of these before. So
a
it's
lot
quite
of
lovely.
odds and sods today.
And there's some like odds and sods, some nice big
Buttons.
but just some odds and sods. And
And 2 coins for our troubles.
not been great on the coin front.
Oh. Yeah.
So we've had
2 coins for our troubles
a nice
today.
penny. That was on the way out.
On the way
this
out.
This Despo's on the way out. And then a little Roman with just the tiniest
He's got a
bit
tiniest
of
little
detail
bit
on
of
there.
detail on there. I wish it
Teeny
was
tiniest bit of
nice,
detail.
but
You can't have every day,
no.
can you? You can't have every
Last
day.
week we had triple silver. Today,
A little bit of a poor showing. Bit of a poor showing.
yeah. How you feeling, Ellie?
Tired.
Tired. Ready for bed.
Ready for bed. So I feel like we've had some stellar days on that field, and maybe it's coming to the end of its time.
Well, we've been hit it for about a month now.
Yeah, I think a month solid when we might have taken all the goodies.
Yeah, I think
Maybe.
so.
I
I
think
think it's time for something fresh.
Some fresh fields, definitely. I think I need to get on the bell, start ringing the farmers, see what's coming out, see what's going in, see what's
what's occurring on our land, for sure.
What crops are rotating.
Yeah. But thank you everybody for watching.
Yeah, we'll see you guys next week.
Yeah, we'll see you next week, and make sure to give us a like, a comment and subscribe. If you're a digger and you want to get more involved in our community, then we have a Discord. It's free to join. We'd love to see you in there.
The link's in the description.